Hi, today we're going to configure static routing between two routers. Let's go ahead and bring our routers to the work desk and bring our end devices, that will be our computers. Okay, now let's connect the computers with the routers. Okay, Gigabit Ethernet 0/0. And I'm going to do the same to the PC1. Gigabit Ethernet 0/0. Then we're going to use a crossover cable for connecting the two routers on interface Gigabit 0/1. Gigabit 0/1. Okay, we're going to give this side of the network the address 172.16.10.0/16 network. And we're going to give this side the 192.168.1.0/24 prefix. Then we're going to make the two point-to-point connections 10.1.1.0/30 prefix. 30 prefix only allows us to connect two users. Okay, let's go ahead and give an IP address for our PC here. That's going to be 172.16.10.25, and our default gateway is going to be 172.16.10.1. Let's configure the second computer. That's going to be 192.168.1.25, and with the default gateway of 192.168.1.1. Okay, let's go ahead and configure the routers now. This interface is going to be 0/0. Okay, let's configure it 0/0. Enable configure terminal interface Gigabit 0/0. Then we're going to configure the IP address of 172.16.10.1 with the subnet mask of 255.255.0.0. And we're going to type the command no shutdown to enable the interface. Yep, it's up there. And let's go ahead and configure this interface right here. That's going to be 0/0 again on the second router. Enable configure terminal interface Gigabit 0/0, the IP address of 192.168.1.1 with the subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. And we're going to type the no shutdown command to enable the interface. Okay, line protocol is up. Now let's configure the WAN links. Okay, Gigabit 0/1 is gonna be interface Gigabit 0/1. That's gonna be IP address 10.1.1.1/30 prefix is going to be 255.255.255.252. And we're going to type the command no shutdown. Okay, let's do that to Gigabit interface 0/1 of router 2. Interface Gigabit 0/1. Yep, 10.1.1.2, the IP address of 10.1.1.2 with the subnet mask of 255.255.255.252. And we're going to type no shutdown. Okay, great. Okay, as you can see, this computer cannot ping this computer right now. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and ping our default gateway 172.16.10.1. it can ping the router on interface gigabit 0/0, but can it ping 10.1.1.1? Yes, it can ping 10.1.1.1. Okay, let's go ahead and ping the 2. Doesn't work. Let's ping 192.168.1.25. Nope. Okay, to do this, now we're going to set up on this router. What we're going to do is, with the destination address, which is this one, followed by the next hop address, which is going to be the interface gigabit 0/1 of router 2. So let's go ahead and do that. So what we're going to type on the command is, in global config mode, IP route. Our destination address is going to be 192.168.1.25, but since 25 is in the host address, so what we're going to do is IP address 192.168.1.0 with the subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. Then our next hop address is going to be 10.1.1.2. So this computer requesting to connect to this computer through this port. So what we're going to do is 10.1.1.2. That's it. Okay, now this computer wants to connect to this computer here. So let's configure destination address is going to be 172. First IP route 172.16. Since it has a prefix of 16, that means 255.255.0.0. That means .0.0 stands for the number of hosts, so we don't need to put that. So we're going to put 0.0, and with the subnet mask 255.255.255.0.0. And our next hop address is going to be the interface of gigabit 0/1 of router 0, so that the IP address for that is 10.1.1.1. Exit. Okay, to see our route, we're going to type show IP route. Okay, look at the S part. That means this address is configured statically, so we can reach 172.116.0.0 via 10.1.1.1. 192.168 is a variably subnetted 2 subnets, 2 masks. Okay, let's go ahead and configure that. We're just going to ping it, so we'll see it can work. It should work. Yes, it works. We're getting a response from the other computer. So let's go ahead and ping that computer from here too. Ping 172.16.10.25. It works. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I would like to thank you for watching.